Hi guys, welcome to the Designer's Den. We're here at our Compark location here in Englewood, Colorado, and we have one of our favorite design experts, Dawn, from our Aurora, Colorado store. Dawn, welcome.
Hi, Sonia.
I'm so glad you're here.
Me too.
Yes, and you know, Dawn, as spring is approaching,
Yes.
we would love to share with our viewers some really great tips on how to style your front porch or patio, right?
That's right.
Right, so I know you know some really easy elements that we can use. Tell me a couple of them.
Well, we're going to start with comfort.
Okay.
We're going to have a comfy chair to sit in and relax.
Right, that makes sense. We want it to be stylish and durable though, for the outdoors, right?
Most definitely.
Yeah, what else you got?
Well, we're outside, so let's have some plants and pots.
That makes so much sense. Yeah, you can have your favorite foliage or your favorite blooming flowers
That's right,
and trees. And then as far as pots, gosh, they come in all shapes and sizes, even texture. So you can really do some cool things with pots.
You sure can. Another way to add some character to is signage, like welcoming signage.
Oh, that's such a great
artwork.
idea. Yes, I love that. And that personalizes it just so that you have a wonderful, warm, inviting space to greet your friends and family.
Yes.
So let's look at the first one.
Okay, the first one we have our favorite Adirondack chairs.
I love these.
Yes, they're super comfortable. You want to have a seat?
Yes, let's try it out. Okay, yes. I love the footstool here.
Yes.
It fits me because I'm short. So it's nice.
These are definitely comfortable, bright, beautiful, and durable.
Yes, they are.
Very
I love
durable.
this really sturdy composite material that they're made out of. They're just really great for our Colorado weather.
Yes.
And these come in several colors, right,
They
Dawn?
do. They come in 6 colors.
Wow, so you've got to come and check them out so you can find the right color for your porch.
Yes.
Right?
It also has a table option, which is perfect for your beverage or some artwork.
Yeah, some accents. We've got some metal
candles,
lanterns here and some blooming plants. I love this style. And then we've grounded it here with our Fontana indoor-outdoor rug.
Isn't this a fun rug?
Yes, it's so bright and colorful.
It really is.
It really can go with about anything, but it says welcome, right?
It will definitely pop.
Yes, it does. Well, let's check out our next look. Well, now we're here at our second look, Dawn, and I really like this. This is our really nice white steel rocker. This is by Cambridge, and it's just super comfortable. I think it's really nice. It makes me think about how I can just sit and enjoy the breeze, maybe even take a nap.
Very relaxing.
Very relaxing. You got some motion happening. And then this is a steel construction, so it's really durable, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And then as we have personalized it with some of our iron artwork here on the back wall. Yeah, it's kind of like a window pane almost.
Yeah.
And then we continue on with some blooming flowers, and we've got these wonderful planters here. And I love it's a fiber composite. And Dawn, what do you love about those?
I love that the depth is shallow, so you can plant your favorite flowers in there very easily.
Yes, I love that. So we've used our azaleas here, but anyone can plant their favorite blooming flowers and plants. And I love the whimsical, wonderful, what is that, the umbrella stand?
It's an umbrella stand.
That's so cute.
It is cute.
I just
rain
love,
boots.
Yeah, it's so cute. I think it's really nice that, you know, somebody can come in from the elements and just put their umbrella right there at the front door and come on in.
Definitely.
So let's check out our last look.
Okay.
All right.
So Sonia, this is our third look here.
Okay, I really like this one. It's very interesting.
Right. It is a 3-piece set.
Okay.
So very affordable, and it's a great place to sit and have your dinner or your breakfast on your patio.
Yes, that makes a lot of sense. That's really nice. Really nice.
And these are steel construction, so again, very durable, and the bungees on the seat make it extremely comfortable as well.
Really comfortable. Yes. I love this. Is a great look for anyone's front porch.
It really is.
Yes. And now I also see how we've added some wonderful planters here. And this is like a set of 4, right, Dawn?
It is. So you can split them up. You can keep them together for a big statement. Great place to plant your favorite trees, your favorite plants again.
I actually recognize these. I have these on my front porch.
You do?
I do. I actually split them up, and I have 2 on the front porch, and then I've got 2 in the back. And I love this color. I love the shape of them, and that's a really great texture. So these are really nice.
It's a nice contemporary, clean look.
Yes, it is. Now we've also added these sticks, which are a really neat texture to the space, don't you think?
They're so interesting, right?
Yeah, yeah. And then also the way you talked about earlier about personalizing your area with these
Yes.
wonderful greeting signage. I love this,
Right?
hey y'all.
Yes.
And this really pretty welcome
And
sign.
the welcome with the mailbox.
I think that's
Yeah.
so cute. That's
Yes.
really whimsical. Love it. And so we've also have the wonderful indoor-outdoor rug again too.
Right. Add a bit of color, little
Yep.
splash there.
And that's the color of the season has been blues, right?
Right. Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, I love it, and I hope that we've shown you some wonderful tips on how to style your front porch as you enter spring. So we look forward to seeing you the next time at our Designer's Den. See you next time.